G'day, Charmaine from Smarter Selling. Today's topic is business development and referrals. And you know why? My cameraman just said to me, oh, by the way, thanks for referring me off that piece of business. I had a great time doing that. They're really professional to deal with and I had a lot of fun. Do you know what that says to me? That he's managed that really well. Because when you get a referral, just think about how you come to that client. Somebody else has done all the ticks. You're reliable, you're consistent, you're professional, you're trustworthy. All the ticks have been ticked by somebody else. Really, you should walk in and pick that business up. You can't assume, of course, but the reality is that you've jumped a whole lot of criteria to get where you are. So you need to set yourself up with every client that you have that you're a model of excellence. So they naturally want to refer you on because you do everything you say you're going to do and more. So if you want to know more about how to get referrals and how to do a referral and how to thank your referral, then subscribe below because we've got loads of hints. It's the one sure way to quickly grow your business fast. And if you think this has been useful, then do share. I'm Charmaine from Smarter Selling. Until next time.